Today I want to show you the quick and easy way to embed a table onto a WordPress page or post. Works for both. We'll install a plugin, it's free, then we'll complete the table or the cells inside the table, and then we'll put it in the post or page, wherever you want it. This works for pricing tables or any other data tables that you need to put inside a page, inside a post. As I mentioned, works for both. It's quick, it's easy, you don't need to know HTML or any of the code that we used to use for tables. This plugin will take care of all the code and put it nicely on the page for you. Let's head on over to the computer.
Okay, to put tables on a WordPress page or on a WordPress post, we will be using the plugin called TablePress. So once logged into your WordPress dashboard, just go to Plugins, Add New, and then you'll get this little screen. We will search for TablePress. In this case, it's already installed and active. If it is not installed and activated on your WordPress website, then just click install and then afterwards click activate. So TablePress, this is what it looks like. It's by Tobias Betker and quite a nice little plugin. I use it often, and that's what we're using for this one. So after installing TablePress, we can go to TablePress on the sidebar. When it's active, you'll see this little sidebar menu. Let's click on it. You'll see that I've got no tables. I can import data or add new tables. So I'm going to add a new table. I'm just going to call it Pricing 2017. My pricing table. And then number of rows, number of columns. I will just stick to 2 columns and maybe 3 rows, 4 rows. So add table. This is the table editing menu. It's got some nice help features. What I'll do is I will say item, price on the top 2 cells. I'm going to say item 1 and let's put a rand price in. This is 100 rand. Item 2, this one is 55 rand. Item 3, this one is 300 rand. Great. Then at the bottom there's some table manipulations, so I could do all sorts of different actions on the rows or columns that I select at the top. So I can insert links, images inside the table. There's an advanced editor. I can select the rows to show, hide, duplicate, insert, delete. I can add more rows, add more columns as I need. There's a table heading row. I'm just going to say it's the first one. You can also do a last one as the footer if you do totals or anything like that. Alternating colors, all these options are available. Table name, do you want the table name to be shown with the table or not? In most cases you can also just put the text above the table inside the page as well. Table description if you want that. I'm going to select both. There's some more features. Data table sorting. So you can allow the visitor to sort or allow the visitor to do searching or filtering if you want to. I'm just going to leave all the defaults and say save changes. Great. Now I've created this table. I will put it on a page called my pricing page. There's no pages on this site, so I'm going to go add new. I'm just going to call this pricing, and then on this blank page I can type something like this is our 27 pricing. I'll make that heading 1, and This little button in my editor will give me insert a table from TablePress. So this button will appear once you've installed TablePress and activated it. And I'm going to click it. Now I can select the shortcode, and that little shortcode, table ID 1, means that my table number 1 will be shown on this page. I'm going to publish it. That's all there is to it. If I preview the page, you'll see this is my demo website. The pricing is the page title. This is the heading that I put in. This is the heading that's connected or put into TablePress. That's the description from TablePress, and that's the little table. So item 1, 2, 3 with their pricing and a nice header. You can sort by price, sort by item, search, and choose how many entries. All this is customizable on the TablePress editing page. So that's inserting a table the easy and quick way.